viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella, and I've come again today with social media buzz. It's all what is trending right now, so now I am bringing it to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell whenever I post. Okay? Today I'm bringing you what is trending, what is hot topics. Okay, now we are diving into this video. So I'm showing this video now. This woman, this person now is after Bautesa Egonga, is this girl that is trending now. And she's not Nigerian, no, she's Kenyan. She's actually Kenyan. And her name is Melanin Daisy. So watch this thing that she's saying. I'll come back again.
The guys, they are begging me to join, or they want to shoot with me. But the ladies, they're in my DM, especially here. They're in my DM asking me for help. I need your help. I need to pay for my rent. I need to pay for my school fees. Madam, haven't you seen me using my Toto? Can't you use your Toto to make money? Me, I should go and use my Toto to make money. Then you come and take it to go and pay for your bills. Madam, go and use your Toto, okay? You have Toto, go and use your Toto to make money, to do whatever you want. Because me, I'm using my Toto. It's my Toto that is giving me money to travel, to do everything that I want to do. Buy food, pay for my utility bills, rent, buy clothes, everything that I want to do. It's my Toto that is giving me that money today.
So this girl has a financial advice for those of you that's asking her for money. You know, our people always have double standards. You know, you be criticizing somebody at the same time coming to her. Now, do you know that my gender is begging this girl for money? And the men, the guys on their own, is asking her to do collabo video. But the ladies are asking her for money. And she's angry about it. She said no, she's not going to give anybody money. That if you want my money, you can join the business. That is the financial advice she has for you. For those of you that are asking her for money, are you not ashamed of yourself? So after this, see, normally Olosho, they get bad mind. So I don't know why you are asking Olosho for money after you don't do this thing finish. And she actually mentioned this thing how many times? Okay. You're not asking her for money. She has this financial advice for you. Go and start your own business. Hey, wahala. So, on the other news, okay? On the other one, I'll put it up now. This woman went to a wedding. It was a wedding. It was a Saturday wedding. So, the MC was not telling the Ashwebi to go and pick somebody, and the person will not give you 100K. So, some of the girls, now went and picked people that entered their eye. Now you say as you come wedding, now some people go they enter your eye. One of the girls went and picked the lady's husband and is now warning MC and the women that are coming to the wedding in the sense that you are coming to pick somebody.
Those of you when get the habit, all those are shebi, guess what? This one are the bar shebi because of men. When MC go say, go pick one fine man, come. May you tell the man what he go do for you. Wanna stop that nonsense. Wanna they do? Yesterday, me and my husband go wedding. I sit down here, my husband. No, now MC say me and shebi get go pick men, call any men when they like. Now I won't get come my seat, get the other city, pick my husband. Go front and not one answer. The NC can answer say, what do you want me this man do for you? Say me my husband give him 100,000 cash. My husband when get 3 children for us when he they feed because he wear white and white he fine. You say me my husband give you 100,000. Now I can go the front. Yeah, that nonsense what he happen. So now go my husband come up for there because my husband not get 100,000 when he go give you. Not be money when he say the one thing spray person where they do party. Now my husband go give you. Or not be money when my husband wants a shop, now he go give you. Wanna stop that nonsense when they do because they see and say when they purposely they do that thing. You go party, you go see young man, you not go pick single man or you go pick person your husband say make he give you 100,000 when you not work for. Wanna stop that nonsense and go there now pick my husband come up for there. And pick and come up for there.
First of all, for the Ashwebi, I'm not condemning Ashwebi. Ashwebi is nice. Women and girls use it to get their suitors, their husbands, and whatsoever. Okay, now, but you know, some people have their personal agenda about many things, and now they are taking it out. But another thing is the MC. I'm sure that when the MC said that people should go and pick somebody, he did not say people should go and pick their somebody's husband. That's on the MC. So now on the man, you know, women are very good. Women are very good in fighting each other. So whenever you see, sometimes you see women fighting over a guy, the lady will not call out the boyfriend or the husband for cheating. The woman will now go and fight the other woman, the lady, whoever it is. Okay, so this woman is now warning the Ashwebis and the MC. See, you people should, my husband, don't come and pick my husband. Somebody, one Ashwebi girl, jejely, enter there, go pick the woman husband. Woman did there with the husband did there. The girl went and picked the man. First of all, madam, your husband is not a beans. This man is not a beans that people will be picking. So when she was picking the man did not talk. The man stood up and went, which means two of them, they entered each other eye. Wahala. We never see anything in this life. So that's it. So the guy should speak for himself. After all, the girl, maybe sometimes somebody might be posing as if he's not married or he's not taken. Meanwhile, they are taken or they are not satisfied. They want to, say some people have Ashawo vibes. That's on the other one. Okay. So if you are doing all those things, please don't be fighting this thing. Go and hold your partner accountable for whatever it is that they are doing. Okay. The other one is, hey, social media this week, things they sup. Things just they sup, and I'm here to bring it to you. Okay, this other one is this girl and this guy we are dating. So at the long run, he was sweetening them. Later, they can't quarrel. So the guy decided to come and take his investments back.
Wahala be like bicycle. For how many years where ex buy something, give girlfriend, they come back today. For fight. See ex, so for how many years? Ex no gree move on. Ex wey no gree move on. Wahala be like waiting again. Ex wey no gree move on. He come scatter shop after how many years? Ex wey no gree move on.
So you know when you're in a relationship, it go dey sweet now. Flavor say video say ato. So later they come quarrel now. The guy came back to collect his investments back. The guy get mind, gather few of his friends, say fall in, say may we go collect this thing when he give this girl. I know say some people they do this thing, they get away, but on this point, this girl saying no, this one saying no. You know, say the girl don't wise up. You know, say after you don't open person eye, say they give them money now, eye they tear, eye they open small. You know, you don't open eye finish. You don't set up everything. Look at the fine shop. Look at the fine salon, beautiful salon. So you now waka come and take your things back. First of all, see, Tinubu administration, TPN administration will humble you. It will humble you so much. First of all, this is embarrassing. See, plenty girls who did it, just they cause this guy, just they say many things. I don't even like it. Sometimes you put yourself in somebody's shoe and feel how they feel, you know. But that's on the other one, before I digress. So now, this guy came to collect his investment back, and the girl said no. You that is investing, please, it's not as if I'm discouraging you from investing in somebody. If you are investing in somebody, please, if not for anything, if it's not your wife or your mother or your sister, please, can you be so responsible enough to sign something in such a way, say, if something boss, if kasala boss, you gonna say where you go. Maybe when you dey give this girl these things, money day, but later money no come day. So you can't feel somehow, say, make I go collect this thing back. And you know, sometimes some exes are petty. If you've dated somebody that is actually all those ones, you know, where they wear it, you know, say some people are actually very petty. So it's a lesson, you know. If you are not watching my shows, my talk waiting, you are missing out, because I always have interesting things to talk about. And I'll be bringing social media from now on. You know, say before, we know they bring social media and so palava. But this time I decided to be giving you social media, whatever it is that is trending, and it's actually very interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell whenever I post, because things they trend, it is up. So you that is begging for somebody that is doing their business for money, you start your own business and invest in yourself. You that is investing in another person's relationship, you where they invest, they give babe money, try dey sign something, because I don't want to hear justice for anybody. Until I come again, social media, you know they ever finish. Don't forget to like. And as well, I'll put up the link, Igbo Community Radio, for my Igbo people where they like, gist. So I'll put it up and everything until I come again. Peace out.